Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Countach LPI 804. This is a 2022 edition and the color is Bianco Sidrel. I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing it right. Not only this, literally every color which is mentioned on the box, so far whatever I unboxed. So, just let me know if I'm making any mistake during the pronunciation. So that would be great help, so I can actually correct it during my next video. Okay. So, initially it was in the pre-order stage, like I think 3 months back. So I didn't buy at that point of time because I don't know when it is going to come in hands. So I bought it, I think a week and a half back. So it is available right now. You can pay the full price and get it delivered within a week or two. Within a day or two, depends upon where you are living in India. So I bought this within. I got this within like 2 to 3 days max. So I'm actually living in Tamil Nadu. Okay, fine then. So let's unbox this and see how it looks. So if you guys remember, or if you are new to my channel, so we did unbox a Countach, 2022 Countach, that is by Tomica mainline. So it is in my Tomica playlist now. You can just go ahead and check that one. So Tomica one is like doesn't have much detail, but when it comes to the body and all, it looks really beautiful. You can see it here. Let me just show you guys. Here is the one. So this is the Tomica version of this car. This 2022 Countach. So let's open and see how this looks. Honestly, the Lamborghini Huracan which we unboxed in my in this last video literally took my breath when I just opened it. Took it out of the box like this. The color looked really awesome. Okay, here it is. So the first impressions of this car are this looks literally like a blade. Like the wedge shape I'm talking about. This looks like a blade which can literally cut through anything. It is a little bit heavy, not too heavy. So, and this looks really sleek, smooth and sexy as well. Wow, this looks really beautiful. The white color really pops. So there is this carbon fiber trim here. You can see the engine detailing here. This one is really a beautiful model. The rims are actually true to this particular car. It is not just a random rim. They actually put it there. This is specific for this particular Countach. If you are wondering, you can just do a Google search and you can actually see this specific set of rims in the car. In the actual car I'm talking about. So there was a black version also, no, but I didn't prefer the black version because white looks more like it belongs to heaven or like more angelic. So I have 3 iterations of this car if I'm not wrong. One is by Mini GT, another is by Tomica, and one more I'm having which is by Velli. So that is like a 1:24 scale that I will unbox in the upcoming days. So both this body and chassis is made of metal. So this is actually very smooth to touch. It is very smooth to touch. It looks really beautiful. And both this rear view mirrors are actually made of some kind of silicone or rubber, you can say. Wow, look at the detailing there. The taillights are actually made of some kind of plastic, and the lights just just painted on top of it. That is fine. The detailing, the logo detailing also looks really nice. The interior detailing looks really great. I'm really happy that Mini GT is doing the interior detailing as well. As exterior detailing in a really perfect manner. Dedicated to that specific car instead of just slapping on some generic interior. There are bucket seats in this one. I hope you guys can see this at least a little bit. So during the last video I recommended to buy that STO, so it goes same for this one as well. If you don't own this piece of Countach, please go ahead and book it. I bought it from Cars and Dolls. There are few other websites which buys the which sells this particular piece. You can get it from there, and the tires are actually made of rubber. Wow, the rims looks really beautiful. Okay, let's do a roll test like we normally do. Okay, it is not rolling because like Hot Wheels or even Tommy cars, but we are not going to play with this, right? This is a collector's model, so okay, this one doesn't have any wheel wobble at all. So far whatever I unboxed, it did had some kind of wheel wobble either in the front wheel or rear or both, but this Countach doesn't have any kind of wobble at all. That is like really awesome. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.